Hey everyone, my name is Julie. I wanted to give you guys a little bit of my background and why I'm doing this YouTube channel. I was born and raised in Costa Rica. My dad has a coffee farm and he also has always worked in agriculture. His newest thing is rice. So my family is an agricultural family and I decided to go to North Carolina State University for food science and nutrition. I went to NC State, I finished my degree, and I moved to New York to work in food science. I started my blog about a year ago called The Foodie Lab, and I really just love cooking and I want to share my passion with all of you. I want to share how that is, because that is my love language, and I want my love language to be heard and shared, and I want everybody to love cooking, not see it as a burden or as a problem, but I also want to share with you guys healthy recipes, health tips, just, like what's good for you, what's not, what to avoid, lifestyle. I'm also super into fitness and my boyfriend is too, so if you want to see some workout videos, we're more than happy to do some as well. And I just want to really just help you have a balanced lifestyle. So that's what I'm here for. I'm going to be making a bunch of recipes, videos. My Instagram, I have a bunch of recipes as well, and I do food reviews of the recipes I do in my videos too, so that's fun. You should definitely follow me and DM me if you have any recipe requests, and just if you ever need anything, any health tips or advice. Alright, bye!